14 minutes before you shoot, Ben and I went to the set, this magnificent set designed by Claude Herrera, production designer, and I saw the information desk. What is Chicano's mission role? And what if, instead of just being rockets and aircraft, we had NASA technicians, and they came to life?
And Ben said,